Welcome. Today we'll find the first, second, and third derivatives of the function y equals x squared times natural log of x. Let's start by finding the first derivative. We'll need to use the product rule since we have a product of two functions. The product rule states that the derivative of u times v equals u prime times v plus u times v prime. In our case, u is x squared and v is natural log of x. The derivative of x squared is 2x, and the derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x. Now, let's apply the product rule. The first derivative y sub 1 equals x squared times 1 over x plus natural log of x times 2x. This simplifies to x plus 2x natural log of x. For the second derivative, we need to differentiate y sub 1. Using the product rule again, we get y sub 2 equals 1 plus 2 times 1 plus natural log of x times 2. This simplifies to 3 plus 2 natural log of x. Finally, let's find the third derivative. When we differentiate y sub 2, the constant term 3 becomes 0, and the derivative of 2 natural log of x is 2 over x. Therefore, y sub 3 equals 2 over x, which is our final answer. Let's review what we did. We started with y equals x squared natural log of x, found the first derivative using the product rule to get x plus 2x natural log of x, then found the second derivative to get 3 plus 2 natural log of x, and finally found the third derivative to be 2 over x.